Rock and roll. Let me see if I can get in that feeling for y'all right now with this one here. A song by Link Ray, an American icon.